During this how-to tutorial, you will learn how to add a sound clip as well as background music to a video on the app iMovie. Once you've added visuals, either pictures or video to your movie, you can add sound to the video. First, we will start with adding a sound clip of a sound effect. Begin by going to the Content Library on the top sidebar. Next to My Media, simply click on Audio. Next, to choose a sound effect to add to your movie, click on Sound Effects on the sidebar under Audio. There will be a list of sound effects for you to choose from. Simply choose your sound effect and drag it to the timeline below the video, either the picture or the video that has made up your movie. Next, in the browser, you can add the entire sound clip below, or you can add a section by dragging from the browser of the sound clip and moving it over. You can make the sound clip as short or long as you'd like. Next, to add a song to your movie, you follow the same steps. Under Audio on the sidebar, you can click on iTunes to go into your own music library. Here you can choose a song and drag it the same way with the browser underneath the video, which is either, again, a picture or a video making up the movie. You can also add many different clips, as many as you'd like, either sounds or music. Also, to make the sounds playing throughout the whole video, you can move either the sound effect or the music down below even further where there's a music note sign, and that will be playing throughout the whole background of the movie. And that is how you add either a sound effect or a song into iMovie.